So I have a question. What is better as an antiviral? Using soap to wash your hands or alcohol? Let's talk about that. This will be a fairly short video. So when we compare using soap and alcohol, and I'm talking 60% of it being alcohol, there's some differences here. Alcohol can definitely help inactivate many different microbes, including viruses, okay? But I only recommend using an alcohol gel if you don't have soap available. Why? Because soap is much, much more effective, simply because a virus has a fat layer as its envelope. And soap is a detergent. It's half fat, it could be animal fat or plant fat, and half alkaline salts. So soap is an interesting combination between fat-soluble and water-soluble. It works together. So you use soap as a detergent to break down grease, fats, and other things that are even water-soluble. And so what this soap does is it breaks down the fat layer of the virus. So not only does it destroy the virus, it also separates it from your hands. So in other words, your hand also is a fat layer. So adding soap can take this sticky virus and allow it to be released from your hands, whereas alcohol can't do that. All right, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.